Today, I'm going to show you how to extend video in OpenArt AI step by step, so you can take a short clip and generate a smooth continuation without starting over from scratch. This is really useful if you want to make your video longer, continue a shot, or create a more natural ending that matches your original footage. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI video guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to OpenArt AI. Once the site loads, look at the main menu bar at the top and hover over the video button. This is where OpenArt keeps its video tools, including the option to extend an existing clip. From the menu, select the Extend Video tool. This will take you into the workspace where you can upload your video and create the continuation. Now the next step is choosing your clip. Upload the existing video file you want to extend. OpenArt supports common formats like MP4 and MOV, and depending on the AI model, your clip may need to stay within a short length limit, often around 10 seconds. So if your clip is too long, trim it down first before uploading. A really important tip here is to make sure the last frame of your video is stable, clear, and easy to read. The smoother and cleaner the ending frame is, the better the AI can continue the motion without creating a weird jump or glitch. After your clip is uploaded, it's time to prompt the continuation. In the text box, describe exactly what happens next in the scene. Think of this as telling the AI how to finish the shot. For example, you might type something like, "The camera pans right to reveal a mountain," or "The character smiles and waves." The more specific you are, the better the result usually is. Try to match the movement, lighting, camera angle, and overall mood of the original video. If your first clip is bright and cinematic, keep that same style in your prompt. If the camera is moving slowly, mention that too. That helps OpenArt generate a continuation that feels connected instead of random. Next, configure your settings. Choose the AI model you want to use, depending on the look and the quality you want. Then select the duration you want to add. In many cases, OpenArt lets you extend the video by about 2 to 4 seconds per generation, so start with a small extension first and test the result. If you need more length, you can always generate additional segments afterward. This is a smart way to keep control over the final output and avoid wasting credits on a result that doesn't match your original clip. Once everything looks good, click Generate. OpenArt will process your request and create a new clip that begins exactly where your original video ended. In other words, it tries to stitch the motion forward so the transition feels seamless. Depending on your settings and the complexity of the scene, it may take a little time to render, so give it a moment to finish. When the generation is complete, review the result carefully. Watch for any changes in lighting, movement, or subject placement that might look off. If it looks great, you can keep it and use that extended version in your project. If it needs improvement, go back and adjust the prompt or settings, then generate again. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in the final clip, and that's how to extend video in OpenArt AI. It's a simple workflow once you know the steps. Open the video workspace, upload your clip, describe the continuation, choose your model and duration, and generate the extended scene. This is a great way to build longer AI-assisted videos while keeping the original style intact. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI video guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.